is a burping contest. This is Shy, the dumb one, and Allie, the weird one. Okay, go ahead. 3, 2, 1, drink! We're making video for YouTube.
Chugging water. And a beer glass. Is that right?
Yeah.
Alright, enough. You're gonna be sick.
No, we're not. No. Wait. Okay, now round 2. Singing the ABCs as you burp.
No.
Allie's good. Allie's good at that. Okay. And the winner of this round is Allie! Okay, that was round.
Hey, I'm feeling the burp, actually.
You lost it.
Did you hear it?
No. Allie's actually in the lead right now.
Oh, she hasn't had like a real burp yet.
Okay, everybody, you vote for the winner.
You guys hang your bathing suits up? What do you do with them?
I'm number 1.
What?
You're number 2.
That's Shy. That's Shy. That's Allie. Vote. Okay, now we're going to do.
Wait!
No, now we're gonna do interviews. Now we're gonna do interviews.
Okay, stop it.
Come on.
We're doing